How to remove apps from Deep Sleep on Samsung phone. So Deep Sleep is like a power-saving feature which don't allow background activity for specific apps, which means that you will not get any updates from this app and it will only work once you open it. So I'm gonna show you how you can remove some of the apps from Deep Sleep. Let's get started. Firstly, what you're gonna do is open up the settings and then scroll down until you can find Device Care tab. So let's just go through the list, and here it is. Now you will see a bunch of features for the device performance optimization, but we are interested in the first one, which is battery. So tap on that. After that, you're gonna click on background usage limits. From here, you can find sleeping apps and simply choose deep sleeping apps on the bottom. You will see amount of apps, in my case it is 11, and also they were automatically added. Now to remove some of apps from deep sleeping, we just need to tap three dots in the top right, tap button remove, and manually choose apps we would like to remove from here, just by tapping on them. Or you can click button all in the top left, and then just confirm this step by tapping remove. And after that, all of your apps will be removed from this deep sleeping feature, and now you will receive updates, you will receive notifications, and it will run in the background, but may reduce battery life. So just note that. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.